Hello, it's Laurie again. So I've just learned today how to password protect in Excel and found it to be quite useful. So I'm going to share with you. What I'm going to do now is to create a new Excel spreadsheet. I'm going to call it secret, okay, and then go into it. Cool. And I am going to basically just type in something random here, top secret. Okay, and just merging this. Cool, great. So now I want to save this file, but I want to have a password for other people to open it. So what I'm going to do is to go into files here and then go to info and press protect workbook. You can have a lot of different options, but today we're going to go with encrypt with password. So basically anyone who tries to open this workbook, they will need to enter in the right password. Okay, here, so you can type in whatever you wish, and it is case sensitive. And also if you forgot your password, there is no way that you can retrieve it back. So make sure you don't forget your password. So I'm just going to type in Laurie here. Cool. And it will ask me to type it in again. So I'm just going to re-enter this and go, okay, great. So now you can see that this workbook is password protected. So that means let's try it out to see if it actually asks for the password when we open the file again. So I'm going to close this down. This is where I have the file. Trying to go into it. So if I type something completely irrelevant, it wouldn't let me go in. So let's try again. Cool. So this time, if I type in the right password, Laurie, and go OK, it will open up and we'll be able to see the file. Now, the next question is, what would you do if you want to remove this password? Okay, so basically you'll go into info again, go back to encrypt with password, and all you have to do is simply delete this password and click OK. And now you can basically go back into this file without having the password. So I'll just quickly show you that's the case. There we go. Voila, so that's all I have learned today. Hopefully that is helpful to you. See you in another episode.